3 years ago, I lost 40% of my deposit in one day. One bad deal, then a second, then an attempt to win it back. Well, you know how it is. But the most interesting thing is not a drain and what I later learned from it. I began to analyze not strategy but behavior, my thoughts, reactions and impulses. And today I will show you a session where every decision is based on the conclusions of that mistake. This video is not about a super perfect strategy. It's about a method that helps me when I feel stressed and want a calm session. Let's start setting up the account to work effectively on the chosen strategy. I will use Hikinashi graph type, time frame 1 minute. And to implement this strategy, I will not need additional indicators. It's based solely on technical market analysis. Only standard tools built into the platform will be used here. If you're still trying to figure out trading by yourself, I want to help you. On my Telegram, you can get my support, and this is not a theory, it's real help, especially for beginners. Just go to the link in the description, enter the Telegram and write me, I want to the team, and I will help you with the configuration, show how everything works and connect to our daily work. Now it's free, so don't miss the moment. Write to me now and we'll start working together today. I found the first market entry situation that meets all of our strategy criteria. This is an important moment when all the conditions for opening trade have been met and can be implemented. But first, let's reopen drawings and choose horizontal line. I will put this line on the minimum price to understand where the support level is. The trading time will be 1 minute, start with $60 and my forecast the price will go down, so I press the red button to open a trade. So look, the horizontal line is the price support level. Reaching this level, there was a trend reversal. And now the price has started to fall and cross this level. And this is the main signal in this strategy. It means that the market has started a strong downward trend and the price will continue to decline. As you can see, the strategy is quite simple. You just have to look carefully at the price chart and determine in time when the strong trend starts. A little practice and you will be able to quickly find such situations. I will also tell you about basic rules of work later. And great friends, the first trade is profitable. So my capital now is $992. We continue working, there are still a couple of more trades ahead. Found another suitable chart, so let's open a trade. I raised the amount of the trade to $80 and my forecast the price will decrease. So I press the red button to open the trade. Let's repeat everything again. The horizontal line is already set at the local price lows. The price has already moved away from this level several times, but now it continues to fall. So the market has started a strong downward trend and the price will fall. When working with the strategy, it's important to correctly construct the horizontal line, friends. You can construct it both in the ascending trend and in the descending trend. To build the line, we will need at least 2 points. On 1 point of minimum and maximum price, it's not possible to correctly determine the level of support or resistance. It's also important that the price chart crosses the horizontal line and gets fixed. And if you stick to these rules, then I'm sure that most of your trades will be profitable. And yes, friends, another correct forecast. And that increases my capital to $1,050. Great result, but remember, there are still trades ahead. The amount of the trade will be 100 and this time I will open a trade to increase the price. So look, in this situation a strong upward trend has started. I have set a horizontal line on the maximum price. The price has changed several times, but now it has crossed the horizontal line and is building above it, which means that the market is on a rising trend indeed. These are the situations I recommend you to look for and take to work. And I will give you one advice. Always keep the analysis of your work. Write down all the trades you make, absolutely everything, profitable and unprofitable, as well as the amount of your trades and the time you open trades. It will not be too much information, friends, trust me. You have to know as much about your trades as possible. All this data can be analyzed and you can choose the strategy that suits you best and also adjust working time. Be sure to try it. And now the account balance is $1,142. Not a bad result, so let's find another situation and open the last trade. I have no doubt about the reliability of the chosen situation. I see that the price is already above the level of resistance and continues to rise. As you see, the strategy really works. I think you will use it often in your work. Let's now watch the situation until the end. Super! The last trade is also profitable. And now the account balance is $1,252. Excellent result. And on this, I complete my trading session for today. The session is over and the result speaks for itself. We did not chase the quantity, we took only precise signals and remained in the plus. And now your job is not just to repeat, but to understand. Do not rush, watch the video once again, stop at the right moments, ask yourself questions and try to answer them. So you will learn to think like a trader. The next step is practice and I'm sure you will do well in it. So write in the comments below how you're doing with this strategy.